Here we go. This is the Cashflow game. We do this Cashflow game. Come visit us, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. You can select Cashflow game. And this is the Robert Kiyosaki famous get out of the rat race game. Everything begins here as a rat. And you go around the board. You can get doodads, and you're going to roll the dice. You got to land on doodads and opportunity and so forth, and then you're going to draw a card and see what the opportunity is. You'll get a paycheck. You'll get some kind of market. Here's where you start. And this is the Cashflow game. ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Come visit.